Doja Cat seems to be following up on a 2-year-old dream, cuddling up to Joseph Quinn in London after beefing with Noah Schnapp for outing her crush. The rapper hit old London town with the actor, dining in close proximity, chatting animatedly and clearly laughing together at what looks like a low-key restaurant. Another video shows the two walking together, this time featuring DC in a form-fitting dress. Check out the clip. JQ lets his hand slide down Doja's back, and it looks like he stops himself just short of copping a feel. This interaction's piqued tons of fan interest online, cause Doja alluded to wanting to make this happen years ago, and caused a firestorm when Quinn's co-star Noah Schnapp made her crush public. Remember back in 2022, Schnapp shared a DM Doja sent him, asking him to set her up with Joseph. He reposted the messages to his TikTok, and Doja put him on blast for it. Noah later apologized to Doja privately, telling the world the two were all good, but we never did learn if Doja actually hit Quinn up. Now though, the two are clearly hanging out and getting real flirty in public, so she's probably not too mad at Schnapp anymore. We've reached out to Doja and Joseph's reps for more info. So far, no word back. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Thank you.